This is the Mitel MyVoice 5320E IP phone. This version of the 5320E features a large graphics display, 8 programmable keys, and a built-in HTML player for desktop applications. Compared to the 5320, the 5320E has the same features but also has an embedded gigabit. This phone is powered via Power over Ethernet or with optional 48-volt power supply that can be purchased separately. Included with the Mitel 5320E is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.